So, David, shares dropped as these earnings crossed. What's behind that?
Yeah, well, I think expectations are always high coming into the quarter for Square, given their recent track record of growth. I mean, there was a slight deceleration in revenue growth, whereas you'd seen acceleration throughout 2018. When they reported earnings last quarter, they guided for better than 40% revenue growth this year, and they came in a little bit higher than that, not tremendously higher than that. So I think that's a source of a little bit of disappointment, but I would say when I say deceleration, we're still talking about a company growing at over a 50% rate over last year, so pretty tremendous growth.
Indeed. That said, how is Square performing compared to its competition?
Yeah, I mean, they're doing tremendously well. You know, it was interesting. I had a chance to attend JP Morgan's Analyst Day yesterday, and Jamie Dimon specifically called out Square as a company that really beat them to that market. You know, JP Morgan Chase is a big processor for merchants, but they missed that, and he had it right on the head where he said the reason they've been winners isn't because of the original device to plug into an iPhone, but the fact that they started there, but they've since evolved into a full merchant services company. They're lending to merchants, they're providing payroll services, help with scheduling. If you're a restaurant, you can have help with your menus. So they've been very effective in layering on various services, but the reality is they're still very early on in selling those add-on services to the existing merchants, and they're capturing larger and larger new merchants as well.